Good day, sir. I am Racing James Oibag together with my group mates Zairel Alfred Castillo, Jomar Cabrera, Jan Harry Madrona, and Noel Manubay. We are here to present our network structure project that connects the Ppsds building and the Men's Dorm 1011 building. So firstly, in this first single line diagram that shows the connection of the Ppsds building and the Men's Dormitory 1011 using the single mode 4-core fiber optic cable. We can see here that we use 486 meters of fiber optic cable to connect the main distribution frame from Ppsds into the intermediate distribution frame of the Men's Dorm 1011 because the total distance between them is approximately 400 meters. This will ensure that there will be no shortage in length if we're going to install the network for this project. So for the next single line diagram, we can see here how the network flows inside each building. So in the Ppsds building, the light signal coming from the main distribution frame will head to the intermediate distribution frame of that building also. And from that, it will be converted into the electrical signals that is compatible for the Cat6 UTP cable that we are going to use, and up to our endpoint here, which is the 22 Cat6 data ports. And for the last single line diagram, it is just the same case in the Ppsds building, but this will be for the cabling structure in the Men's Dorm 10 and 11. From the main distribution frame up to the intermediate distribution frame, and from the IDF into the 6 Cat6 data ports connected by the Cat6 UTP cables.
Now let's go to the map plan for the fiber optic cabling between the two buildings, Ppsds and Men's Dorm 10 and 11. So we used four-core single mode fiber optic cable, not only for the high speed but also for its flexibility and water resistant. And also we used 486 meters length of the fiber optic cable because the distance between Ppsds and Men's Dorm 1011 is 400 meters.
So now I'm going to explain the two floor plan, which are the Ppsds floor plan and Men's Dorm, which is 10 and 11. Here in Ppsds floor plan, you can see the placement of different connection that we designed to distribute the connection from different location of the building. And looking toward the yellow line, which is the fiber optic, we just connected it to this floor plan, which is the Men's Dorm. You can see that what the image or color indicate by looking the legend here in the right side. So that's all, thank you.
So I will be discussing the bill of materials. The passive materials that we use are fiber optic cable, Cat5 keystone wall plate, cabinet server rack or data center cabinet server rack, network cabinet, patch panel, patch panel Cat6, and Cat6 UTP LAN cable and fiber optic patch panel. And the total cost of each materials are 105,748. And from the PR and bill of materials are all the same. As you can see, there are the Cat6, the fiber patch panel, and so on. And the total is 105,000.
In our market survey, we tried to provide a detailed breakdown between the materials we ended up choosing for the final project and the alternatives to those materials. So, for more important items like cables, switches, and ports, we ended up going with the more higher quality stuff, which means the higher priced items usually, in order to assure quality since those components were important. And for the easily replaceables like the data cabinets, the shelvings, and the RJ45s, we tended to go with the more middle ground option, which threaded the line between quality and price. So that's all for our presentation today, and I would like to thank everyone for watching.